Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back in my video with me, Hayatul Hadi. And in this video, I will explain about English curriculum and material development. English curriculum and material development refers to the process of planning, designing, implementing, and evaluating the curriculum and teaching materials used in English language learning. This process is very important because it helps ensure that English teaching is organized, effective, and suitable for students' needs and learning goals. First, the English curriculum is a structured plan that guides uh, the teaching and learning process in English education. A curriculum determines what students need to learn, how the learning process will take place, and how the results of learning will be assessed. In other words, the curriculum provides the direction for teachers and school in organizing English instruction. An English curriculum usually includes several key components. The first component is learning objective, which describe the skill and knowledge that students are expected to achieve. For example, students may be expected to understand simple conversations, read source text, and communicate basic ideas in English. The second component is learning content or materials, vocabulary, and language skill that will be taught. The third component is teaching methods and learning activities, which explain how teachers will deliver the material, such as through discussion, group work, role plays, or project-based learning. The last component is assessment, which is used to measure students' progress and learning outcomes through tests, assessments, presentation, or other evaluation methods. The English curriculum is usually designed based on several considerations. One important consideration is students' needs, including their language level, age, interests, and learning goals. Another consideration is the educational context, such as national education standards, school policies, and the cultural background of the learners. By considering these factors, the curriculum can be more relevant and effective for students. Second, material development is the process of creating, selecting, adapting, and improving teaching materials used in English language learning. Teaching materials are important because they help teachers present the language in meaningful and understandable ways. Material can support students in practicing their four main language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. There are many types of English teaching materials. This may include textbooks, worksheets, modules, flashcards, audio recordings, videos, pictures, games, and digital learning platforms. In modern education, technology also plays an important role in material development. Teachers can use only researches, educational application, and multimedia materials to make learning more interactive and engaging. In addition, teachers often need to adapt existing materials. Sometimes textbooks may not fully match the student abilities or classroom situations. Therefore, teachers may modify activities, simplify text, add example, or include local context to make the material more suitable for their students. In conclusion, English curriculum and material development are closely connected and essential in English language education. The curriculum provides the overall framework and direction of the learning process, while material development provides the practical research just that support teaching and learning activities in the classroom.